Christine McInnis. I'm a holistic healer with a background in fertility coaching, reflexology, and energetic support for chronic health conditions. I'm also a past migraine sufferer who has used my skills in complementary therapies to find relief for myself and my clients from repetitive migraine attacks. And now I'm expanding how I support the many people for whom migraines are holding them back from the life that they want. I've developed this event to help demystify the link between hormones and migraine, something that comes up often in my practice. And I find where there is understanding, there is often peace. It's not you, it's your hormones, and we can do something about it. This workshop, I'll answer questions, I'll guide you to a better understanding of the hormonal aspect of your migraines, and I hope to provide some general supports that will help you find some relief. I should note that this information is meant to supplement your current care and is in no way a replacement for your standard medical attention. So I hope that this event can help you find more thorough and effective relief from the many symptoms of migraines so that you can thrive in the rest of your life. Register on eventbrite.com and I hope to see you then.